Hello, my name is Mike, and I have been running with Jenny Jones a little over a year now. And I picked up two Brilliant Directories last year, just kind of sitting on them. I didn't have the ability, I guess, the understanding, the knowledge, how to, and the time of, how to put all this stuff together, right? I have the visions for each one, a separate vision, but I just didn't know how I was going to put this together. So LLMs have come a long way, and it's a little easier now to set some of these systems up, but they don't connect the dots. You're not going to get the insights that Jenny can provide. You're not going to get those anywhere else, not from an LLM. Nobody else can offer that. Jenny is very unique in that sense, and very knowledgeable. He knows the ins and outs of these tools and, how to maximize them, right? How to leverage them. So when the Brilliant Minds offer came out, I was really eager to get going. I'm like, finally, I'm going to be able to deploy my Brilliant Directories. And so I did, and I'm very grateful that Jenny set the time aside, a little over 4 hours, just going through everything. And then we had a Q&A afterwards, and I think that went on for a little over 2 hours. So best investment I've made in the past 2 years, and I've spent a lot of money on things like that, but I've walked away with just the ability to deploy and with ideas that I didn't have before. Got a good understanding of what I wanted to do with it, but nowhere near what I got, by attending this with Jenny. So I'm glad I did attend. I think you will be too. Pick it up and give it a try, and I guarantee you that you're going to learn so much, and you're going to be able to use this. You're in a better position, right, to maximize it. So good luck. Hope this helps in your buying decision.